boots. She's so excited, but she just won't talk. What happened to your talkies? Are you out of aerosol? Do you need to more put aerosol on your belly button? Okay, now you can talk. Y'all filled up. Y'all filled up. Go ahead and talk. She doesn't do anything.
So we walk away and we
It's okay, Alice. You're adorable anyway.
Wow, you hate Daddy?
Don't kick Mommy. Don't kick Mommy. That's not nice. Kick Mommy. You don't hate Daddy. No, you can't have the
You
phone.
want a selfie video yourself? Wow.
Can you do it again for Mommy?
Dude, I get a lot in there for everybody so they can see it. So we can send it to the families.
Stop grabbing my hand. Alice. You want the phone?
Let's see what she does with it. Let her hold it.
Okay. No, not in the mouth.
Look at my tongue, guys.
You want that on? Of course, Daddy turned it off. Hold on.